Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I do want to show you how to crochet this amazing stitch which can help you to do the following pattern that I saw online. So I thought I am going to show you how to do this stitch, and if you are interested you can crochet also the inspiration for this stitch. This stitch is a multiple of 12 plus 4, which means that one pattern needs 12 stitches, but we are going to need 4 chain stitches as well for the turning stitch over here. So for example, in my case I have the pattern repeated 3 times, so that means it's a 12 by 3 plus 4. So this is the amount of stitches, and then I started here at the bottom, which in total for the repetition of 3 of them in total was 40 chain stitches. So I am going to show you how to just crochet the pattern for one, and once you know how to crochet for one, then you can do that yourself for more than 2. I'm going to use a 3mm hook with cotton yarn, 100% mercerized cotton yarn. This is a yarn that has the specifics of a 50 gram per skein and is approximately 125 meters long, which makes it as a DK yarn. As I told you, the pattern shows it's a multiple of 12 plus 4. So since I'm repeating the pattern just one time, it's going to be 12 plus 4. It's going to be 16 chain stitches. So once you have all the 16 chain stitches, we are going to skip 4 chain stitches and we are going to crochet a double crochet on the 5th chain stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the 5th chain stitch we are going to crochet 1 double crochet and continue crocheting double crochet until the end. In total I'm gonna have 13 double crochets, including the 4 chain stitches that I left over here. Once you have 13 double crochets, we are going to do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, which count as a double crochet, and turn your work. Now I am going to crochet, since this one count as a double crochet, then we are going to crochet another 3 double crochets. Together with this one there are going to be 5. So I am going to crochet double crochet here. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. So in total with the 3 chain stitches there are 5. Then the pattern follows 3 chain stitches, yarn over, then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and double crochet on the 3rd stitch. Then what we did over here, we just repeated on the other side but flipped. So then 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and double crochet on the 3rd one, and then continue crocheting, and then continue crocheting double crochet all the stitches one by one until the end, and in total you're gonna have 4 double crochets. And this is the pattern for the 2nd row. Now for the 3rd row, we're going to do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, which count as a double crochet. Then we're going to turn our work. Then what we are going to do is another 1 double crochet on the next stitch. So including the 3 chain stitches are 2. Then I'm going to crochet 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And right here we are going to skip all this and skip all this, and right here before the double crochet here in the center we're gonna do 1 single crochet right here. Then right where we have the double crochet, a 2nd single crochet, and then right here after the double crochet a 3rd single crochet. Then we're just going to repeat this 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, and then crochet, skip 1, 2, and then at the 3rd one, so 1, 2, 3, so at the 3rd one, 1 double crochet, and yarn over, and then at the last one another double crochet. This was the pattern for the third row. Now for the fourth, again 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, and we repeat the same pattern that we did on the third row. Yarn over and 1 double crochet, and then 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where we have the first single crochet, we do a single crochet, continue single crochet until you have 3 in total. So 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Then the pattern continues again like the previous one, 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over and 2 double crochets. So first double crochet on top of the previous first double crochet, and then a second double crochet. So this is the pattern for the fourth row. And now we start the pattern for the fifth row. 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, turn your work. And now we are going to repeat this pattern over here, on top over here. So I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to crochet another 3 double crochets. So including the 3 chain stitches are going to be 4. So 2, and then another 2 here where I have the hole, the space. So 4 double crochets, same as here, then 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, and at the, since we have 3 single crochets here, at the center single crochet, so skip 1, at the middle one, 1 double crochet. And repeat this one on the other side. So 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, 2 double crochets here at the hole, and then this last 2 double crochets here, again 2 double crochet on top of them. So in total 4 double crochet. This was the fifth row, and lastly the sixth row, which is just all double crochets. So 3 chain stitches and continue crocheting on top over here, another 12 double crochets. So 1 we already have, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th I'm going to do it here in the center, so they are divided equally, and then another 6 on the other side. And that's it. This is the pattern. Then you just keep repeating this pattern. So this 6th row is actually also the first row, so if you want you can start repeating these rows on top over here and go on, and of course in the length that you need. So yeah, this is the pattern that I wanted to show you today, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this pattern, and yeah, I will see you on my next one. Bye!